Hello folks, today is the first day of December, and for a little while, at least through Christmas, most of our videos probably going to be cooking and also candies and cookies and such like that there. And we're going to start the day off with peanut brittle, microwavable peanut brittle. Now we've tried this before. It's done good in the past. Hopefully it will today. It's been raining outside and foggy. I know humidity messes a lot with candy. But anyway, we'll start off 1 cup of raw peanuts. Now, ours is not raw. We'll keep that in mind for just a little bit later on in the video. 1 cup of sugar, a 1/2 cup of white corn syrup, and also it's calling for 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt. Always before I've omitted that out because our peanuts are salted. They're already been cooked. We need 1 tablespoon of butter, but that's going to be for over in here for our pan. And we need 1 teaspoon of vanilla right back here. And also a teaspoon of baking soda. Now what we'll do, I'll have the recipe linked down in the description. Now what we'll do first, we're going to add in the first 4 ingredients in a large glass bowl. But once again, ours is not raw, so I'm going to hold off a little bit before we add the peanuts in there. I don't want to overcook them and get a strong burnt peanut taste. So what we'll do, we'll add our sugar. Put it down in there. And then we're going to put our 1/2 cup of white corn syrup down in there. And then if you was going to add salt, now would be the time you'd add the salt. Let me get me a little spatula here. That'll work too. I should have heated that up a little bit there. It would have come out a lot easier. This will work. We've about got it all. Alrighty. Now what we're going to do, we're going to place this just the way it is in the microwave for 4 minutes. Be right back. Now folks, I didn't mean to mislead you at all. It's been a while since we made this, about a year I guess. You'll need 1 tablespoon of butter also. It'll be going into the mixture here in just a little bit. I had the 1 thing of butter over here. I was thinking it was for your pan, but we also need 1 thing of butter to go in to our brittle mix. Alrighty, this is the first 4 minutes. It says to stir it around. We're going to stir it here. It's getting to the melting point on the sugar there. Alrighty, we stirred it up here. Now we're going to place this back in the microwave for another 4 minutes. Then we'll stir it again. Alrighty, this was the next 4 minutes. Stir it up good here now. And then we'll be adding in our peanuts and butter and vanilla. We're going to hold off until the final thing for the baking soda. Now let's add our peanuts in there. And once again, we waited until, because ours has already been cooked. Now we're going to put it back in the microwave for another 1.5 minutes. Okay. Alrighty, here's the other, after 1.5 minutes. Stir it up good. Now, we're going to add in our baking soda. Now, always before it's foamed up, so be careful. And then once we get it all into the pan here, we're going to take it and smooth it out around through there. Thin it up just a little bit. And now we just got to let it cool. And then what we'll do, I'll show you us breaking it. Alrighty. We've let it cool. It's cool to touch on the bottom. Now what we're going to do, we're just going to take the pan, slam it down, and bust it. You can see here, we dropped it several times like that there. It's busted it up. Now you just got to take your finger. Now when you do it in a cookie sheet, this here is more rigid on the sides. It don't break as good as what it does on a cookie sheet. But it's a working. Look at that there. See how it's just... because we don't want to break nobody's teeth. Now, I'll get them in here and we'll do a taste test. Alrighty, give it a try, guys.
Oh gosh, delicious. Delicious.
Alrighty, folks, they said it is good. I didn't know if it'd turn out today or not, as rainy as it is, but everything seemed to work out. I'd like to thank y'all for watching. Hope y'all have a blessed day. Lord willing, be seeing you Wednesday. Stay safe.
The snow is falling soft and light. The fire's burning warm and bright. The goats are tucked inside the barn, protected safe from winter's harm. The time we take to share it all with folks like you, and everything we love to do. So thank you for watching, thank you for listening. From the Holmans homestead where the Christmas lights are glistening, we appreciate every like and every share. We wish you joy and peace and hope beyond compare. From garden rows to kitchen stoves, and all the paths the tractor rows, you tune in daily, week by week, for every lesson that we speak. May your holiday be sweet and slow, wrapped up in ribbons, tied with a bow. Remembering all the blessings found when Christmas cheer is all around. So thank you for watching, thank you for listening. From the Holmans homestead where the Christmas lights are glistening, we appreciate every like and every share. We wish you joy and peace and hope beyond compare. Merry Christmas to you, and a Happy New Year too, from all of us here at Holmans Homestead. God bless you.